We are proud to introduce the Smart Valve, a precision-engineered device that will reduce your water bill by improving your water meter accuracy. Why is there inaccuracy in your water meter? Our municipal water systems are a pressurized system. The city pumps provide the system pressure, and we cause a pressure drop where we want the water delivered by opening a valve or faucet, for example. Because air is entrained in pressurized water systems, the volume of the air increases whenever and wherever the system pressure drops. Over 99% of water meters measure by volume. It doesn't matter if the volume is all water, all air, or a mix of both. The water meter will measure it, and the water company bills you accordingly. How does the Smart Valve correct this? When we install the Smart Valve between the usage point and the water meter, it stops the pressure drop from traveling any further upstream. In effect, we have moved your water meter into the city main pressure zone, where the pressure barely drops. As a result, your water meter measures only the water volume and no excess air. And using the same amount of water, your meter spins less. How much will you save on your water bill? Most of our customers report savings between 15 and 25%, with a few seeing much higher savings. The Smart Valve is maintenance-free and comes with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty and a 90-day no-questions-asked satisfaction guarantee. So you can try it and see the savings for yourself.